from home help to the employees? Your next topic is, you can start.
And let me start. As we know that a person is doing their job in work from home, he can also save lot of time and money. Even their money can invest in their family and gain support from his family to work to his work.
And I agree with your point. And in my opinion, work from home is a good, and because it saves lots of time and money. And we all know that we are not taking any vehicles, and it's reduce pollution problem, and it saves times and money.
And we can say that also work from home help the people who are not able to physically go outside, and also help the women who are not capable to go outside because they have a responsibility for their children. And when the work from home will be increased in our India, I think women also physically not fit work, people will can do work and also can be self-dependent.
Work from home will definitely help to the people that they are going out and waste their time in going out, and also the problem of pollution by using the vehicle after going out. They will save the environment also, and as well as they will reduce their time to in the going in and stuck in traffic jam also.
Yeah, friend, I agree with you. We have seen that in the crisis situation, work from home helps the people who do their work from home, and but sometimes they can't get a good environment to do their work. So according to me, work from home is a good initiative, but sometimes they did not get good environment.
I think in pandemic crisis, work from home is very good for them, but it is not permanently, because there are many type of problem are also increasing as home violence, in data increases, and many type of people are suffering from disease because they are sitting in their home, and they don't do any workout, so they are suffering from problems.
First of all, we have to understand what is work from home. Work from home means to complete work home, stay home without going outside. And if a person doing work in home, the employee travel time to and from the office will be saved, and it decrease the others expenses, like go if a person go in a company, then they do pay they do pay the
Yeah, friend, I agree with
hiring.
you. But yeah, friend, I agree with you. But we cannot deny work from home. Work from home increases too much workload on the workers, and sometimes workers lose their eyesight, and also many kinds of problems.
Work from home is bad, some good sometimes for those people who are not able to go outside, and it saves our time, and it saves our pollution, and traffic jam also increased by this. And sometimes it is bad, due to work from home, people became lazy day by day, because they don't do more physical work, and some diseases work some diseases they were caught, and that is bad.
And chances of road accident will be decreases by this campaign, because if people are traveling anywhere from one place to another, they made a road accident, and many type of these things. This will also decrease.
I think if the work from home will be exist in India, I think the somewhere the connectivity will the socially, I think it will be decreased. When the people will not go outside, they will not got knowledge from outwhere. They will be stuck only the work, and also it is stuck in a home. I think when a person is doing a work at home, I think they should be stable and a balance between the social connectivity and also the work.
I would like to add one more point, that if a person go outside and meet some people, they can discover their opportunity, because they meet lot of people, and their business can grow with the if they going outside.
In my opinion, if a person doing work from home, they spend a lot of time with their family. So it is a relaxation of mental.
Yes, in my
I think due to work from home, social interaction is also increasing, because people are working home, and they are not meeting to each other. In this way, their social interaction is decreased.
but only disadvantage of one work from home will be affect their health and their eyesight also, as people are working in one
In my opinion,
And
work from
also,
home is a good in one side, but it's a high tech loopholes like equipment. People not complete their work and they are spend lots of time in front of electronic tools and it affects our physical.
let me get the conclusion of work from home to everyone. Thereafter, we'll go for the next topic.
At last, I would like to say that about the work from home that if you are doing a work at a home, I think this is beneficial for the people, and also we should think about we should be balanced between the social and also in a work. Then I think it is a good for the human being.
It is a work far more good for humans and it decrease the time and also increase the money and if we are balance if our work then it is good for us.
Work from home is good, but it is not possible for every person that who can do work from home because no, there are many works that cannot be done by from home, but it is good for those who is working from home and who is connected with these activities.
Work from home can be helpful for those in life who are unable to go out, and also work from home will help them to spend time with the family and also reduce the pollution level as they are not going out by the vehicle. But the main disadvantage of that the work from home it will affect their health and their eyesight also.
Work from home is very good, but it reduces our physically force. So if a person doing work from home, say do exercise for physical fitness. And in India, work from home is not very easy because internet connection is the biggest problem of India. So we have a long way to walk this.
At conclusion, I will say work from home is a good initiative. We can easily see that in the situation of crisis, school are remain closed, children get the education by work from home, and a teacher provide knowledge by work from home. And but there is a long way to go. Work from home should be less time. Work from home should be some time.
At conclusion, I would say good work from home is good initiative for those who do their work with the computers and laptops.
I think work from is a good step in especially COVID crisis because people are unable to go out of the home. In this way, they are doing their work in the work from home.
Role of newspapers and news channels in democracy. Your next topic is now. You can start.
I want to initiate the GD. The role of newspaper and
News channels.
news channels plays a very important role in
Democracy.
in democracy. As it is said that the democracy's fourth pillar is the media, and media plays a very important role in for any democratic country. As we have seen that we have seen many debates and many news are coming from and we are aware about it that
If government doing some wrong thing, then media should partly that they can come out this type of problem of the government and people will are aware of this because of media and newspaper.
As you said right that the media is the fourth pillar of our democracy. That's I think the media is giving the play the most important role to aware the people. In this time we are seeing that every news channel we finding the all news of our India. That's the reason the democracy, and also we can find out what is the matter is going on in our India, and we can find which leader is doing a lot of work for our India. That's the reason I think we can aware by the newspaper.
Newspaper and news channel are very useful for the democracy country because every incident that happened in our country by these channels and newspapers we can know about it and we can say we can say our talk to the government and we can
By with the help of newspaper and news, we can get all over the world's news and what is happening in our country and what's happening in the foreign countries. We can easily see.
As we all know that our every person every morning with one cup of tea and in the other hand there are newspaper and they get all the our news in as we all know the news has take for direction east west north south and it's give the last over whole over the world news and we increase our knowledge and skill by
I
using
think
a
the media and newspaper are the medium which brings our problem to the government and also bring the solution from the government. These are parallel to each other because with the help of media we can communicate to the government. In this way, we can.
Yes, friend, we can say that media is a connectivity between the citizen and a government. In this time, we are seeing that the government, the farmers are there who are giving up and saying to the problem to the government by the media. We can say that the media is a connectivity between the all citizens and the government. That's the reason government can hear us and can solve the problems.
Media can also manipulate the people's opinion because when government gave some money or cash money for media houses, they manipulate the public's views.
Yeah, okay, Brent, I agree with you. Sometimes media became manipulated by matters, and in this way, the faith of citizens are became unrested because when media is manipulating many things. In this way, the thing which is actual we can't see.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
we
agree,
can-
yes, I agree with you as you said that nowadays we see that the almost all the news channels show us the only the news of politics that they should not be. They should cover all the effects.
Yeah, friend,
and
I,
also-
I agree with you. Media plays a very important role in every person's life. Media can remove corruption and crime activity by doing sting operation, which is very good for the country.
The role of media and the newspaper in democracy. We all know that democracy is the government by the people and for the people. And we all know that media is the fourth pillar of democracy. If in my opinion, if media is free, then we have to we have to take our we have to take talk we have to take our talk against anyone. And if media is free, then we have provided a freedom nation.
And we are-
Somewhere the media is controlling our India because we can say that if a ruling party is doing any wrong work, they have fear that media will expose them. I think that's the reason that somewhere the crime is decreased just because of the media.
And we cannot imagine with democracy without newspaper and media. But in the current time, political leaders have its own media and they spread wrong news among the people. And this is the main reason that people have decreased the faith with
Yes,
the
I
government.
agree with you, but sometimes many news channels shows fake news to increase their TRP. That is very bad for the democracy. But media is also called the third eye of our country.
Yeah, okay,
Yes,
Brent, I
Brent.
agree with you. If all media became honest in its place, I think every country would be very progress.
Yes, I agree with you.
Sometimes
And you said that-
media want to increase their TRP, and sometimes media instigate the people, and it should not be happen. And we can easily say that some news channels are totally sold out by the political parties in present time.
Yes, I agree with you as you said that some news channels support only one party. That they should not be. They should almost clear out.
It should
that
not be
aspect.
partial.
Yeah.
And
the
also
main
shows
thing
that
is-
in this time the newspaper are also supporting the student. In this time the newspaper, not only the news channel also, newspaper are supporting the many of the students who are awaiting or what is happening in our India. I think newspaper is giving a too much support to the student life.
The main responsibility of media to show second phase of government. If media will not show, how can people judge their government? They choose right or wrong.
Yeah, newspaper also supporting to the student as you said that many especially UPSC students who are preparing for UPSC exam. The newspaper help them by the current
I
affairs
think
and
newspaper
also-
is giving, we can say that we can say in Hindi that ek तीर से दो शिकार. We can know that the student will read the English newspaper. They are also awaiting ourselves and also giving a knowledge of English newspaper if they are studying. I think they are giving a lot of knowledge to the student.
But nowadays we are seeing that the media's house and their newspapers are remaining biased, so they are harming our country's democracy